Hey friends, let me ask you something. How much easier would life be if you had an appliance that could handle almost everything in the kitchen? Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to the Café Couture Oven. And let me tell you, this is no ordinary countertop oven. First off, let's talk about its amazing capacity. This oven is huge, with a 25-liter cooking cavity. You can fit a 12-inch pizza, a 9x13 cake pan, or even a 2-quart casserole dish in here. It's perfect for families, big gatherings, or just prepping meals for the entire week in one go. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or cooking up snacks for the kids, it's got you covered. But the real star here is its 14 cooking modes. This isn't just an air fryer or a toaster oven. It's like having a whole team of kitchen appliances packed into one sleek machine. You can air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, dehydrate, proof dough, slow cook, reheat leftovers, keep meals warm, and more. Imagine being able to prepare hors d'oeuvres for a party or crispy fries for movie night without even breaking a sweat. And get this, the CrispFinish feature adds that perfect finishing touch to your food. Want golden brown edges, melty cheese, or that perfectly crispy crust? Just hit CrispFinish and you're good to go. Your signature dishes will look and taste like they came straight out of a restaurant. Now here's where it gets really cool. This oven is Wi-Fi connected. That's right, you can control it with your voice through Alexa or Google Home, or even program it remotely using the Smart Q app. Imagine preheating the oven while you're still on the couch or setting the timer from your phone while multitasking in another room. It's smart, it's efficient, and it makes cooking so much easier. And let's not forget the intuitive controls and LCD display. With a simple turn of the knob and a glance at the bright screen, you can set everything: temperature, time, cooking mode, you name it. Plus, with 6 heating elements, you'll get perfectly even cooking every time. Whether you're proofing dough at 80 degrees or air frying at a blazing 450 degrees, so this oven performs like a pro.